we have flagged the document. We want to see that document. Do you have the document here?
Yes, I'll just
Not be given to you.
that's what number my hand.
That's very important.
It's not in the file which is given to us.
Seems to have happened.
Was the post-mortem carried out without a
It's
without
impossible. It's
without
impossible.
a formal dispatch of a request to the post-mortem doctors to carry out the post-mortem?
Just an administrative form. It's a statutory
I
form.
don't have that information.
You need to explain.
Yes, yes, certainly, Madam.
So tomorrow, if this document is missing,
Yeah,
then something's wrong.
yeah, sure, Madam.
Say
Sure.
two
May I?
words.
Whether the X-ray plate, because Manoj, the body was found, the legs were found at a 90-degree angle. Now, 90-degree angle cannot take place without the hips being broken. Manoj, kindly see in the post-mortem report whether the X-ray plates have been handed over to the CBI.
Lord,
Whether the X-ray was actually done or whether the X-ray plates were handed over.
We've got the photographs with us.
Mr. Solicitor, just one question from your officer. When the body is dispatched from after the inquest for the purposes of the post-mortem, you have that letter by which the body is dispatched for post-mortem.
Yes, Manoj, it is there, form number
Arey, wait a minute.
5363.
Once again, how will you
Let
have
me
it?
have-
We
No,
are
no, I'm
asking.
saying, I'm seeing the form number.
Obviously, we're saying it with a certain purpose. We want to see that.
It will be a long.
I'll check up, my lord, and
You know that.
Yeah, it is there. Because it was shown before the High Court, before the High Court I argued.
Can you just, 1 second,
I don't have it. It was before the High Court, it was argued.
just 1 second. Let's not get into these bickerings. We have flagged a document. We want to see that document. Do you have the document here?
yes, I'll just check immediately.
Asta, do you have the document?
We're just trying to see. But in the meantime, I just
All the
mentioned.
dead body chala.
Lord, in the meantime, can I
Just
just,
1 second. So only deflect. Yeah, on one particular issue, let's seize that issue and then
Yes.
see if there is a satisfactory answer.
yes,
Otherwise, CBI will look into our query by the next day.
There is also an antecedent aspect to what the
One
lordship, yes.
Investigate.
Mr. Sibal, do you have it?
But I only have this that is handed over, dead body challan that's handed over. That's all I have. To the family. Yes, to the family.
No, not the family. It was from the
Come on now.
person who does the UD.
Let my lord, the Chief Justice, see
Not
the
not
document.
This is the blank one. It would be like this. This is blank one.
I'm sorry, Madam. No, who can
This
read
is
this?
the blank one. It would be like this.
This is not what we are asking for.
No, I'm just saying
This
that's
is-
all we have at the moment.
Disposal order accompanying corpses sent for cremation. This is when the body is given to the parents for cremation.
I cannot find the document immediately.
We are just trying
This is
it.
the only thing we have at the moment. That's all I can say, Madam.
Because when the body is dispatched from the post-mortem after the inquest, surely the doctors who act on that and do the post-mortem would first look at what is given to them.
We just look at it.
It would be like this. No.
You just have the format.
This blank form.
All right, let's see the blank format. This is the challan for use when a dead body is sent for examination.
Yes.
Where is that filled out challan?
But it's there, it's part of the case, right? Because it was shown in the High
You
Court.
wouldn't know it. How, let the CBI say. We asked
was there.
we asked the state of West Bengal whether they have it here in the court. Let them give it to us.
It should be part of the case diary. That's all we can.
That is not
What's
given
the
to us.
form by which you handed
That
over?
is not given to us.
Not be given to you.
That's what my lord, my hand.
That's very important.
It's not in the file which is given to us.
Ms. Sharma, where is the challan when the dead body was sent
We're trying
for?
to figure out, Madam,
for
where
the
it is. We're trying to
post-mortem.
figure out. Huh? See, let's not state something unless we are absolutely sure what it is.
Month later and they're still figuring it out.
It's of very crucial importance because this form also has a column which says remarks noting what clothes and articles were sent in with the body, which means that together with the body, other things which have been then seized,
Must have been.
and other material is also sent to the doctors who conduct the post-mortem. We want to see that.
It was definitely a part of the CD when I argued the matter before the High Court.
They said they have not seen this and the file handed over to the CBI does not contain this document.
Expect.
But it appears from the argument of my learned friend that it exists because according to him, it was shown to the High Court.
No, no, no.
Without this, my lord, the postmortem doctor cannot accept the body.
Postmortem doctor will not carry out the PMR, the postmortem, and he will not accept the body because first and foremost, he has to have a request in the challan that please, this body is being sent for the purpose of
On the
examining.
challan, he gives a seal saying accept it.
Mullah, your lordships will give us time. We'll try and place everything before the court.
There, Mr. Sibal.
It's not, Mullah. We've checked it up. It's not there.
And CBI says that they also don't have the document
No,
under which the body was sent.
To us, that file does not contain
What
this
I'm
document.
told, what I'm told is that the CJM came, Mullah, and he filled it up himself and there's no separate form. That's what seems to have happened.
Was the postmortem carried out without a,
It's
without,
impossible. It's
without
impossible.
a formal dispatch of a request to the postmortem doctors to carry out the
Not
postmortem?
just an administrative form, it's a statutory
Mullah, I
form.
don't have that information. I can only.
Just have this postmortem report in hand. You
in
must
hand.
be having
Postmortem
it, right?
report. Yes, we have it, Mullah.
Now see the third column.
Yes.
See the third column on the top of it.
Third column.
Constable by whom brought.
Yeah.
So this constable is supposed to carry this.
This challan.
Okay.
He is supposed to carry this.
Yes.
And if there are any relatives accompanying, the names of those.
Sure. Yes.
Now, it has been struck out.
Blank. That's blank.
So there is no reference of this challan for use when a dead body is sent for examination. You need to explain.
Yes, yes, certainly, Mullah.
So tomorrow, if this document is missing,
Yeah.
then something is happening.
Yeah, sure, Mullah. Sure. So we'll find out, Mullah, as to why this is brought.